Incoming quality checks. Verify materials meet specifications before use. Non-conforming items are isolated, while approved materials are released to production. Prepared kits are delivered to the line to maintain continuous flow. Environmental control protects plastic liners before molding and assembly.
All right, team, ensure your PPE is correctly worn. Gloves, glasses, and hard hat secure. Refer to the standard worksheets for today's targets.
Verified tools prevent assembly defects and ensure repeatability.
Forming machines are prepared to shape the refrigerator cabinet panels. Welding secures the liner to create a sealed internal structure. Seam checks prevent leaks and structural issues later.
Injected foam provides thermal efficiency and structural rigidity.
Excess foam is removed and cabinets buffered for downstream assembly.
Controlled torque ensures strength without deforming panels.
Fastener verification prevents vibration and noise issues later.
Pre-validated cooling modules are staged for installation. Accurate tubing routing prevents vibration wear and leaks.
Pressure testing verifies sealed system integrity before charging.
Only sealed systems that pass are allowed to continue downstream. Precise refrigerant charge is essential for cooling performance.
Looks good, all clips secured.
Yes, ready for the next phase.
Electronics modules control temperature, lighting, and user functions.
Continuity testing confirms correct electrical paths before power-up. Accurate door assembly ensures sealing, alignment, and appearance. Vision inspection protects cosmetic quality of visible surfaces. Controlled hinge torque prevents sagging and noise over product life.
Sealing gaskets are installed to retain cold air and prevent condensation.
Lighting verification confirms visual features operate correctly.
Safety testing verifies insulation and grounding compliance. Buffered flow stabilizes the line before performance testing.
Initial run-in verifies basic cooling system operation.
Results determine release or further investigation. Final appearance checks protect brand quality.
Protective films prevent damage during packing and transport. Permanent labels complete traceability and regulatory identification. Loose accessories are secured to prevent transport damage. Transport restraints protect alignment and finishes in transit. Shipping bases and corner guards stabilize the unit for handling.
Outer cartons provide structural protection and branding. Weight checks detect missing components before shipment.
Automated palletizing ensures consistent, safe load formation.
Wrapped pallets prevent shifting and moisture exposure.
Pallet labels enable accurate tracking through distribution. Finished pallets are transferred into controlled warehouse storage.
Racked storage protects products and maintains inventory accuracy.
Inventory update.
Pallets are selected according to shipping schedules.
Staging organizes shipments for efficient loading.
Dock equipment is positioned to enable safe pallet loading.
Careful loading prevents damage during long-distance transport.
Securing loads prevents shifting and transit damage.
Finished refrigerators leave the factory for distribution. railing prepares recyclable cardboard for efficient transport. Metal scrap is segregated for controlled recycling.
Reusable plastic waste is routed for regrinding and reuse.
Non-recyclable waste is stored safely for licensed disposal.
Reusable WIP carriers are cycled back to support continuous production.
Preventive maintenance sustains equipment reliability and quality. Consistency check. Post-run maintenance aligns with stable appliance manufacturing.
The facility closes the cycle with controlled operations end to end.